Hey, how are you? It's so good to see you. Give me a hug. I'm so glad you're here. You know, sometimes life can pull you away from the people and things that you love, but I'm so glad you're here. Now I can share this with you. Come on, I was just looking at my new blender, my Ninja professional blender. I figured I needed one. I've been making my smoothies with my little blend jet here. That's a whole nother thing, a whole nother story. But I just wanted to have a bigger blender so that when my family comes over, I can share smoothies with them and I can share with you. I'm so excited. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and hopefully you're gonna help me. So tell me, how you been? What's been going on? Man, a lot of things been going on with me, but I was thinking about doing this today, and the more I thought about it, the more I realized I miss doing this. I'm like, what's happening with me? But I'm so glad you're here. So let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a little booklet. It tells us about the blender, and it has 50 recipes in there. And what else do we have? Looks like this is the top for the blender. So tell me, what's been going on with you? Let's see. So this is the lid here. I just open up the lid, and this is the handle for the top there. It looks like there's a release button here. Well, I gotta show you, right? Release button. I guess when you're taking on the lid, putting on the lid or taking it off. And let me scoop this back some so you can see better. The trash here. Let's drop that on the floor. And I'll tell you, life just gets so busy. Have you been busy? I know I have. It's too busy. And I'm just so glad I had a moment to come on here. And you happen to pop by. And that just makes it all good for me. All right, and this is the picture here, you would call it. And I guess this is the little blender attachment. Take this plastic off here. And, ooh, the blades look pretty sharp. Gotta be careful with that. Put that in there. And it says it holds 8 cups or 1.9 liters. All right, let's set this down over here. And what else do we got? So, yeah, like I said, I've been making smoothies, and I would take them to work, which I love. But again, I wanted to share, and making smoothies with one little container was not the business, okay? So here is the bottom attachment there. It has power, pulse, low, auto IQ smoothie, and high. See that? Alrighty. So let's see, that's it in the box, but let's take a look-see at the box here to give you some other information. It says it makes smoothies with auto IQ. All your favorite fruit smoothies are just a touch of a button away. You can make frozen drinks, purees like for soups, I'm assuming. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, BPA free. And it shows some other things you can make, dips and desserts and soups, like I said. Alrighty, so I am gonna go ahead and give this a washy wash, and I'll come back on and show you how I make my famous smoothies. All right. Okay, so I'm back now. I got it all clean. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top on to the bottom piece, and the handle goes sort of like towards the front, and then you turn it to the left and it clicks on. I'm going to take the lid off. And so my favorite fruit that I started off making smoothies with was blueberries. I have some fresh blueberries this time. I just washed them, that's why they're dripping. But I used to get the frozen ones because I would wind up buying fruit and letting it spoil because I don't use it right away or wash it right away. So, but this time I have fresh blueberries. My now favorite fruit to use is the mango chunks, and I get that frozen. So I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of the mango chunks in right now. Not very much because I don't need a lot. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. I'm gonna put too much in. Make enough to share. Come on, hold on. Let me open this up a little more. What is your favorite fruit? So this blender is said to be able to pulverize like ice cubes into make it like snow cone kind of ice. So we will see, right? So I'm gonna put a little bit more in. Come on. All right. Maybe I will put a little bit of blueberry in just for the sake of it, since I have it. And what's your favorite fruit? What did you say? I know some people like strawberries, some people like pineapple. You can do all of that and all of the above. I actually have some of that as well, but like I said, my favorite now is mango, okay? So that's what I'm using today. And I'm trying to get this blueberry open. I just had it open when I washed it. Hold on. There it is. All right, so hopefully I won't pour the whole thing in there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh. One for the floor. All right. And so you gotta have some liquid up in there too. So it'll be, I don't like it thick. I like to have some moisture. So I'm gonna use some almond milk because a sister can't drink regular milk. All right. And you can use water if you want. You can use almond milk, regular milk. You can even use coconut water. I'm not going to use that today, but I have used it before. But before I do that, let me dry my hands. If you like a sweeter smoothie without adding sugar, you can. What I've done, I use this honey, citron, and ginger tea, which contains, I can't read that. Well, it has no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors or colors. And it is, oh, there it is. It has citron preserves, citron or sugar, 65%. Oh, well, it does have some sugar, huh? Well, it says ginger preserves, ginger and sugar. Ooh, sugar. Anyway, it has honey, purified water, citric acid, carnitine, and vitamin C. Well, yeah. Anyway, yes. So I'm just going to put a touch of this in, just a little spoonful. Just a little bit. Anyway, it does make good tea as well. And I've used this when I felt a little sickness coming on because it has real lemons and other stuff in there, if you could see that. And I'm just going to put that in there. All right. just gonna clip some. All right, and I'm gonna put my almond milk in. Enough so that it won't be too thick. All right, so when we put this lid on, we are going to put it, I believe, with this corner, the arrows matching. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there like so. And then the handle snaps down, which means it is ready. Dry my hands. And if you can see here, it is the power button right here. I'm gonna go ahead and push that on. And then I'm gonna push auto IQ smoothie, and let's see what happens. Okay, all right. Auto is gonna keep going on and off. All right, I think it's done. All right, so we are going to, when you take it off, you're going to turn it that way, and we're gonna lift it off, and let's see. Well, let's see what it's looking like. And to open it up, we're gonna push that release button there and lift that handle up, and we can lift it off. And let's see what it's looking like. Oh, looking good to me. Let's see if it'll pour out of there. So I grab my little handy cup here. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and lift the blade out. Ooh, look at that. That's looking good, okay? I'm gonna set that where? Oh, good. I can knock that off. And I am just gonna set this here. And let's give a pour. Actually, let me set that in the sink. You don't have to take the lid off. You can actually, it has a pour spout, right? Right. So we're gonna click that on, and here's the lid spout, and let's see. Ooh. Come on. You can do it. There it is. Ooh, I actually should have made more, huh? Actually, well, you can do it that way, but I'm gonna just go ahead and take the lid off. That is looking good, okay? All right. Whoa. Well, that would be one reason why you use a lid. All right. But, all right, let me wipe this off. Look at that. I really should have a straw, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. Hold on, I'm dripping. Okay, so the lid would be a good idea, but it just might take longer. I guess I was a little impatient, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this off. Wipe up this mess. All right, and give it a try. So what you think? What do you think? What do you think? I say I like this, okay? I like it. I like it. Ooh, I could have used a little bit more of that honey citron. But yes, I really like the way it blends. Yeah. And just think, if you want to make a whole bunch, you could, okay? You can make a whole bunch. You can make, like, what did I say? 8 cups if you want to. You could like make smoothies for the whole family. All right. So the reason why I wanted to show you actually get another smoothie maker is because this making smoothies with my little thing is what helped me to lose 40 pounds. Yes, I did. And that's a whole nother video. So if you'd be interested in that, just drop me a line in the description box, a comment, let me know that that's what you want to learn about, because that's one of the things that I did to kind of combat my love for sugar by drinking smoothies. And there's a whole lot of other things that I did to help me lose weight, to be healthier. I didn't go on a diet. I just changed the way I ate. And this is one of the things that helped me do it. So, how do you like my video? If you like my video, please go ahead and tap that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm so glad you came today. It was so good seeing you. Don't leave. I don't want you to leave. I enjoyed having you, but you know, good things must come to an end. But I'm so glad you came by. Don't be a stranger. And remember, I love you. Have a good rest of your day. Talk to you later.